What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Haven't seen you guys in a little bit. Picked up a new toy last night. 2002 Chevy Silverado 2500 with the LB7 Duramax in it. It's pretty much identical to my first Duramax that I had. Crew cab, full leather, LT truck. It's only got 145,000 miles on it. Pretty much bone stock besides aftermarket wheels. I'm gonna clean up. Full leather, really clean truck. Truck came out of Montana. It's a super clean truck. There's not even one tear in the seat. I don't know if this was replaced or what, but this is in really good shape. I know you can get replacements for the bottom and they always tear on this crack or something, but this looks like it's relatively new. Could be a replacement, you know, so you never know. Someone could have done it. I was thinking about doing it in my truck too, but I never got a chance to do it, so it's a pretty nice truck. Got a couple plans for it. It doesn't have a lift pump, so we're going to do a fast signature series titanium pump with the whisper technology. Probably gonna do like fast 95 or something like that. Nothing crazy. Just this truck isn't gonna be, you know, a race truck or anything. Just to improve longevity, improve the injector life. The injector's replaced twice already in this truck, so I want to put a lift pump on as soon as possible to get them, you know, fed the proper amount of fuel and keep them happy. So, got a couple things we're gonna go do with this. I definitely want to take this off. That thing's got to go. It's cool, but not my style. So we're gonna get rid of that. Got a bunch of parts over here and mirrors. Bug guard, I already took that off. We're gonna take the trim off today, though. So that's what we're gonna do. This trim is nasty looking. So it's got to come off. Looks like it's never been off before. This is the factory stuff. It's all faded, so we're gonna pull it off and clean up this body line. Hopefully it's not too bad underneath. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take it off the easy way, so stay tuned. Cool, so I got you guys strapped up, following along with me. So we're gonna grab two tools we're gonna need. Handy dandy propane torch and a eraser wheel, 3M eraser wheel, with a drill and a battery, which I have charging. Planning on doing this job, locked and loaded. So grab your stuff here, come on over to the side. We're just gonna heat this up, and then we are going to use a card to push it off. I like to use a nice flexible. You can tell I already used it before because of the worn outness. Let's do this one first. All you want to do is just heat it up. Heat it up. Get under. It's kind of just saw away. You don't want to go pulling too fast. It's not hot enough. Then you can actually peel the paint off. There it is, just like that. And you just get your two glue strips left, and a lot of mud. Whole reason why I'm taking these off, because I don't like them. They collect dirt, collect mud, sand, anything that's gonna damage the paint later on, and then start making that rot out. So we're not gonna have that. We're gonna take this off. That's just the plastic cracking. I heat it up a little bit more. Cooked it a little bit right there. Whoops. Let's get behind it. Little ones are harder. Boop. Just like that. Some of the glue already came off. Easy. That looks better already. So now what we're going to do is take our spray bottle. Soap and water. Soap and water. I'm just going to clean that up real quick. It's nothing crazy. We're gonna buff this anyways. So after we're all done, doesn't need to be pretty right now. Get that dirt off there. That's a lot of dirt. Oh man, that's terrible. Damn, look at that. That is in there. Mud. See how the eraser wheel likes that. So, cleaned up a little bit. So now we're going to take our 3M eraser wheel on our drill. Just like that. Door 1 is down. So basically what is left is the dust from the old glue that you just disintegrated with this eraser wheel. It's rubber, right? It's just a giant eraser on a drill. That's all it is. And what you have now is this is light, faint dirt line. That'll come off. And it's coming off right there, just with a little you know, finger scrubbing. So that should buff off really nice. And then this is gonna be nice and clean. No more dirty, nasty plastic dirt holders on the side of your door. It's just a much cleaner look. This is honestly the best and the first mod I'll do on any truck. Door bumpers, door trims, whatever you want to call them, they don't help. If you're going to be that careless and park your vehicle where there's a bunch of carts anyways and people are going to throw their door into you, you know, it's kind of almost easier to fix a dent nowadays with PDR versus, you know, having your truck hold dirt and then later on it rusting through. Or the thing is, if it does start rusting behind the door trim, more or less likely, you know, you have to repaint the whole door. So it's kind of a big deal. So catch it before it's too late. Take them off. First thing you do when you buy any truck, really. Trim's off and it's looking good. Easy, quick eraser wheel. No glue gone, no scraping, no fishing line. You don't need any of that stuff. So we got it all cleaned off. Just gotta buff it now. I just hit it with a little bit of quick wax, some Lucas Slick Mist. But man, I'm missing a tool. I lost my tool. I don't know. That's my phone. I don't know where it could be. Oh, there it is. There it is. Here's my tool. Skirt. Cheers, beer 30. I'd say this is like probably like a 3 beer project. So, you know, if you're working on it, probably only take you 3 beers, 4 beers, 5 at most. But you know, pretty. I'll rate it 3 beers. With a beer. Well, let's get back to work. Two. Three. Look at all that dirt. That's terrible. Nope, she's done. I quit. It's over. That's how I'm gonna leave it. Just, I've seen people do it like that, so try it out. Just leave the glue. I don't feel like taking that off right now. My back hurts. Cool. One step after another. Alright, so now we're going to grab some polish. We're going to throw it on our buffer and we're going to hit this. Just go down the side of it. Get this line out of here. So, let's go and find some polish. We'll do a little VSS scratch and swirl remover, just because it's a little coarser. It won't take as long. I just hit this probably one time and we good to go. So now that I go, one dot, one dot, one dot, oop, one dot, one dot. That's all you need. A little drop here, a little drop there. Grab a towel. Take this. Look at that. It comes right off. That looks good. No more line. Real faint one. Right there. I might have to wet sand that a little bit just because this one has some good amount of dirt in it. You can see. Might need a little bit more coarser polish. I don't know if that one's cutting it, so we'll hit this again. That's a lot better. So here's the finished product. Oops, dropped that towel on the dirt. God, I need to clean this up. It's so dirty in here. Truck's not clean by any means, but that looks way better.